Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 10th August which is celebrated as International Biodiesel Day. Now welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 10th August in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it so as to get the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. Question number 1. Which Indian musicologist born on this day in 1860 who wrote the first treatise on Hindustani classical music named Hindustani Sangeet Padhati and whose first published work was Shor Mallika? Answer: Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande. Question number 2. Which President of India born on this day in 1894 who became 4th President of India on 24th August 1969, who was the workers delegate of Indian delegation at the International Labour Conference of ILO in 1927? Answer: V.V. Giri. Question number 3. Which Indian poet died on this day in 1977 whose song featured in Hindi film Azadi Ki Raah Par and song by Sarojini Naidu is accepted as the flag song of India? Answer: Shyamlal Gupta, and the song is Jhanda Uncha Rahe Hamara. Question number 4. Which Indian Bollywood actor born on this day in 1917 is remembered for his role as Lord Rama in Bharat Milap and Ramarajya? Answer: Prem Adib. Question number 5. Which year on this day foundation stone of Royal Greenwich Observatory playing major role in astronomy and navigation was laid down? Answer: 1675. Question number 6. Which is the second largest museum of the world that was inaugurated in Paris on this day in 1793? Answer: Louvre Museum. Question number 7. Which American game designer born on this day in 1889 had designed the board game Monopoly? Answer: Charles Darrow. Question number 8. Which German engineer invented diesel engine on this day in 1893? Rudolf Diesel. This day is celebrated as International Biodiesel Day. Question number 9. Which children's comic came in book Amazing Fantasy on this day in 1962? Answer: Spider-Man. Question number 10. Which Soviet spacecraft reached the orbit of Venus on this day in 1990? Answer: Magellan. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.